welcome back to your English grammar class. In my previous session I started with this chapter present continuous tense and helped you all complete exercise A, B and C. Right now we will be moving on to exercise D. Our task for today is to complete exercise D, E and F. So exercise D. Complete the following sentences with present continuous tense form of the verbs given in the help box. These are the verbs given in the help box, and what we have to do, we have to convert it into present continuous tense. So we need to add a helping verb plus verb with the verb converting it into an ing form. Okay, so like for example, see the first one, Suchi dash a song. Suchi, one person, so we'll be using is. Suchi is sing, and what we'll do, we'll make sing ka singing. So Suchi is singing a song. The children dash a race. The children, so we are talking about more than one, so we'll be using the helping verb are. The children are running a race. Run ka we'll convert it into running. Then see the 10th one, I dash coffee. With I, by default we always use am, right? So I am drinking coffee. You all can try doing the remaining ones on your own. It's very easy. Now write the ing form of the given verbs. Okay, this is the base form and this is the present continuous form. So dip, dipping. Okay, it is preceded by a vowel, so we have added one more p and made it into dipping, right? Same way for run, running, followed by preceded by a vowel, so we'll add one more n and make it to running. Spot, same, preceded by a vowel, so double ting, spotting. Drive, we'll omit the e and driving, driving. Try doing the remaining ones on your own. For reference, you all can read these rules once again, so that you don't tend to make a mistake while solving this exercise E. Okay, moving on to the negative sentence structure, our last topic for today. Subject plus am, is, are plus not plus ing form of verb plus other words. Subject again with I am, we, you and they are, and he, she is. Subject plus am, is, are plus not plus ing plus other words. Make the following sentences negative in present continuous tense. Now we have to make it into present continuous tense only, like we'll put the helping verb and the ing form of verb. But what is the variation over here? The variation over here is that we need to make it negative, so we will be adding not in between the helping verb and the ing form of verb. So see this one, I dash my homework. Do is the verb given over here. Okay, so I am not doing my work, so we will add not in between the helping verb and the ing form of verb to convert it into present continuous negative. My mother dash my sister. Feed, so my mother is not feeding my sister. But if you had to make it into a normal positive sentence, then you would just remove this not, like my mother is feeding my sister, then it would be a positive present continuous tense. But here we have to make it negative, so what we will do, we will be putting am, helping verb, not, and ing form of verb. The passengers dash for the bus. Wait, the passengers are not waiting. The passenger means more than one, so we'll be using are, and not for negation, and ing to the verb. Okay students, so your task for today is to complete exercise D, E. But before completing E, revise this rule over here on page number 80. Okay, and complete exercise F. I would also like you all to read this. I'll be explaining this tomorrow. Students, if you all have any queries, you all can contact me. Thank you.